Hey everybody, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. We have two services that I'm a part of over at Stock Market Mentor. Of course, our regular stock service, which is myself and Dan Fitzpatrick, but we also have a crypto service. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other digital assets, be sure and check out Crypto Market Mentor. We have a very exciting and thriving community of crypto traders who don't just trade cryptocurrencies or digital assets, but also are really interested in some of the crypto stocks. And Hut 8 is definitely a crypto stock, but one that has also pivoted to AI data center stuff. And this stock is actually looking really interesting here. We have Hut 8 in an uptrend and above all the key moving averages and pretty clear resistance in and around 62.90. So I'm going to set an alert here just under 62.90 and look for a move through and a close above that level because this stock is setting up nicely. Clear support down near the 21-day, clear resistance up here. We want to see it push through that level, close above, and do it on volume. And if that can happen, then I think we have a pretty good swing trade here on Hut 8 that we'll be taking or watching over at both Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. And that's just one of many things we're watching and trading at stockmarketmentor.com. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. If this video is helpful, you'll love the stuff that myself and Dan Fitzpatrick put together. Every week, Dan does a full 1 hour, or it's usually an hour and a half, of technical analysis and trading mentoring. And it really is a focus on the mentorship. We're not just here to pump out trade ideas. We want to make you a better trader. So join us at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. I'll see you next time.